Hey, I'm Roger B. Welcome back to another edition of Dutch Oven 101. You know, I rarely fry foods. Couldn't tell that from looking at me, but it's true. But I decided to do some wontons, and we're gonna do a couple different kinds. We're gonna do a jalapeno poppers, which are a sliced jalapeno and a little bit of cream cheese. And then I'm gonna do like a spring roll wonton, where we're gonna put a little bit of carrot, a little bit of onion, some cabbage in it, and just a dash of soy sauce. One of the first things you want to keep in mind is if you're going to fry something, you want to use an oil with a high smoke point. Do some homework on the web, you'll find out that's peanut oil, translation expensive, but you can use a canola oil. It's also very good. Now, one of the things you want to keep in mind, once you heat an oil to that temperature, it's done. You know, they say you can filter it and put it back in, not for $3 worth of oil. It's not worthwhile to do that. So you want to keep that in mind. Canola oil, again, does a very good job of deep frying. You want to get it between 350, 375 degrees. Yes, it is important for it to be that hot. Yes, you do need to check it with a thermometer. When you deep fry this stuff, you don't want to get in a hurry and you don't want to crowd the pot. If you crowd the pot, the temperature of the oil drops too fast, then you get greasy food instead of fried food. When you fry this food, it should instantly sear the outside of it and then it won't be greasy. All right, really simple. Wonton wrapper. Some water around each edge. A little bit of jalapeno, and a little bit of cream cheese. I'm gonna pick it up, focus it just like that, right in the middle, and I'm gonna squeeze it just a little bit, and I'm gonna squeeze outward a little bit as well. And these go together really quick. All right, let's do a spring roll wonton. A little bit of water, again, on each of the edges. Finely chopped cabbage. When I say finely chopped, I mean finely chopped. Normally I don't get too caught up in when I'm coarse cutting or finely chopping a lot of the food, but it makes a difference here. A little bit of finely chopped onion, a little bit of carrot. Here's the trick, a little dab of soy sauce. And again, I'm gonna fold this one different. Spring roll, jalapeno popper. Put them in the pot. When they're brown, they're done. Come on, let me show you. Let's check the temperature. Yep, we're good. Let's put in some wontons. All right, the key here is you want to just kind of set these in. Don't throw them in, don't drop them in, you know, and splash oil. Just very kindly, very gently, put it in, grab your spoon. They will cook fast, and again, that's the key. You've got that oil up to the right temperature, again, 350 to 375. Usually I'll use a burner if I'm doing any kind of deep frying because it's a more consistent heat. But if you're gonna use coals, put 15 to 20 coals on the bottom and then just check your temperature. Bump that up if you need some more. Again, it's not rocket science. These are done. You never make a small batch of these, trust me, ever. A little soy sauce, red chili oil, you know, whatever you want your favorite dipping sauce to be. They're really simple. They're wontons in a Dutch oven. I'm Roger B, and it's Dutch Oven 101.